What's up, legends? Close your eyes for 5 seconds and imagine this. Every single person you know, your friends, your family, your ex, your teachers, even the random guy on Instagram who always leaves fire emojis but never likes your posts, every single one of them is laughing at you. They're saying, he'll never make it. She's dreaming too big. Who does he think he is? Now open your eyes. That actually happened to me. And today, in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact 7-step system I used to turn every single one of those haters into speechless spectators while I built the life they said was impossible. If you ever felt doubted, counted out, or straight up betrayed by the people closest to you, this video is your revenge blueprint. Smash the like button right now if you're ready to prove them wrong. Let's dive in. Step 1. The day everything broke. Let's rewind to 2019. I was 24 years old, flat broke, living in a 200 square foot room that smelled like old takeout and failure. I had just quit my soul-crushing call center job because I told my parents I was going all in as a full-time content creator and entrepreneur. Their reaction? They laughed in my face. My dad looked me dead in the eyes and said, "Son, you can't make real money on YouTube. Stop this nonsense and get a real job." My best friend from high school sent me a meme of SpongeBob failing with the caption, "This is you in 5 years." Even my girlfriend at the time said, "I can't be with someone who has no stability." And she walked out 2 weeks later. That night, I sat on the floor and cried for maybe 3 minutes, and then something flipped inside me. I made a promise to myself that night. I will become so successful that every single person who ever doubted me will have to see my face whether they like it or not. That promise became rocket fuel, and that's where step 1 begins. Write this down. Turn pain into obsession. Most people feel pain and they numb it. Netflix, alcohol, endless scrolling. Legends feel pain and they weaponize it. Here's exactly how I did it. I opened a Google Doc titled Hater Fuel 2019 and wrote down every single negative comment word for word. 2. I printed it out, taped it to my wall, and read it out loud every single morning like a complete psycho. 3. I turned every insult into a specific goal. You'll never make money on YouTube. Goal: 8 figures from content in 5 years. You're not smart enough. Goal: build multiple 8-figure businesses before 30. You're too lazy. Goal: outwork every single person who ever knew me. Pain plus purpose equals unstoppable obsession. Write that down. Step 2. The identity shift. January 1st, 2020, I did something most people would call insane. I changed my phone lock screen to a photoshopped picture of myself standing next to a Lamborghini with the words, "This is who you are now." Fake it till you make it? No. Fake it till you become it. I started signing emails and DMs as future 8-figure entrepreneur. People laughed. I didn't care. Your brain believes whatever you repeatedly tell it. So I fed it a new identity every single day. I bought a cheap blazer from a thrift store and wore it while filming in my tiny room because that's what the future version of me would wear. I started speaking slower, deeper, with unbreakable confidence because that's how millionaires talk. Within 90 days, something insane happened. I stopped feeling like the old, broke version of myself. I became the new man in my mind first. The results followed automatically. Step 2. Become the person who already achieved the goal today. Step 3. The 4 a.m. weapon. While my haters were sleeping, I was working. 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. became my secret superpower. 0 notifications, 0 distractions, pure deep work. In the first 12 months, I uploaded 387 videos. Yes, I counted. Edited every single one myself. Mastered thumbnails, SEO, scripting, storytelling, and failed publicly 312 times. Most people want success, but they want sleep more. I chose success. Here's the exact 4 a.m. routine I followed for 730 days straight. 4 a.m. alarm, no snooze ever. 4:05 a.m. ice cold shower plus 100 push-ups. 4:20 a.m. read 10 pages of a high-level business or psychology book. 4:35 a.m. script writing. 6 a.m. records 3 videos. 7:30 a.m. edit and design thumbnails. 9 a.m. hit the gym. That schedule alone made me undeniable. Step 4. The embarrassing action phase. 2020 to 2021, my content was straight garbage. Lighting was trash, audio was crackly, editing looked like a middle school project. But I posted anyway. I cold DM'd 100 creators every single day, asking for collabs. 98 ignored me, 2 replied after 8 months. I commented value on every big creator's post. Never, great video, bro. I offered to edit for free, make thumbnails for free, whatever it took to get in the room. Most people wait until they feel ready. I decided to be embarrassing on the way to excellent. The faster you're willing to look stupid, the faster you become unstoppable. By the end of 2021, my channel crossed 100K subscribers, built purely on volume and not giving a damn about looking perfect. 2025 so far, on pace for $3 million plus. Every dollar felt like a middle finger to everyone who laughed. Step 6. The silent flex era. At this point, I could have gone full influencer. Rented Lambos, flexing chains, look at me now posts. Instead, I chose the deadliest form of revenge. Silent success. I bought my parents their dream house, paid in full, cash. My dad cried holding the keys. The same dad who told me YouTube was a waste of time. I flew my entire family first class to Dubai. The same family that called me directionless. I never brought up the past. I just let the results do the talking. The most powerful revenge is massive success without ever mentioning revenge. Step 7. The final boss. Forgiveness. Here's where every other motivational video lies to you. They all say, forgive your haters and let it go. Let me keep it 100% real. I still don't speak to about 70% of the people who doubted me the hardest. Some apologized, most didn't. Forgiveness is for your peace, not theirs. I forgave them so I could stop carrying their baggage, but I never forget. I still have that original Hater Fuel 2019 Google Doc saved. I open it every January 1st just to remind myself who lit the fire. Never forget what made you hungry. Your 7-step blueprint recap. Here's the exact system so you can copy-paste it today. Number 1, write down every insult and turn it into written fuel. Number 2, change your identity before the external results show up. Number 3, wake up at 4 a.m. and outwork everyone for at least 2 years straight. Number 4, take massive, embarrassing action daily. Perfection is the enemy. Number 5, stack revenge revenue. Money silences everyone. Number 6, master the silent flex. Let success make the noise. Number 7, forgive for your own peace, but never forget your fire. Your assignment right now. Before you close this video, do this. Open your notes app, write down the 5 most painful things anyone ever said about your dreams. Under each one, write the exact goal it's now creating. Set your alarm for 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, screenshot it, post it on your story, and tag me. I repost every single one. Final words. 3 years ago, I was crying on the floor of a tiny room. Today, I'm filming this from my ocean view penthouse, running multiple 8-figure businesses, leading a team of 18, living a life my old self wouldn't even dare dream of. Every single hater who laughed is now quietly watching my stories. Some became fans, most became strangers. All of them became irrelevant. And the best part? I'm just getting warmed up. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be to start the greatest comeback story ever told. Prove them wrong. Not for them. For the version of you that's watching this right now and knows you're built for more. I believe in you, even when nobody else does. Now go make me proud. Drop I'm next in the comments if you're ready to start today. I'll see you at the top. If this hits you in the soul, do 3 things real quick. 1, hit that like button. It pushes this video to more people who need to hear it. 2, subscribe and turn on notifications. New revenge story every single week. 3, click the video on screen right now. How I made my first million before 27 with 0 experience. Let's keep winning. See you in the next one.